So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to add shields on Monopoly Go. But before we dive in, here's a website where you can get dice
by MMOG for all things Monopoly Go related. So just click onto that, right click onto dice in here, and then just click onto buy now. And in the coupon section here, you could grab an additional 10% off with their exclusive discount code, which is TechTricks.
Now that is out of the way, to get more shields here in Monopoly Go, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is land on the tiles that has a shield. So as you can see here, I have an example. I have no shields available. So let's try to get a shield for free. So all you have to do is land on these tiles basically, and there you go. It's just that simple. So basically when you land on your tiles with shields already, and you already have active shields, as you can see right here, I already have 5 in the top right corner. Basically it will convert them into dice whether you're using them or not. So it will convert the dice whether you have slots available. So if you fill them slots already for the shields, basically they will be converted into dices. And there you go, that is how you add shields on Monopoly Go. It's just that simple. Thank you for watching this video and see you again next time.